Well, friends, we procured our clams and our beautiful scallops. As you can see, they're live. They're in this ice. We'll put them in the refrigerator, and they will stay fresh until we cook them tomorrow. And we're going to have to go somewhere later on this evening and get our lobster tails. But I promise you, on the Devotional Chef Show, you will see everything come together. Believe me, you're going to want to cook this for your family. And I'll go step by step a little later on this week of how I put it all together. You see the fabulous dish. At this point in time, the Word of God said, "Be strong in the Lord and the power of His might." Ephesians 6:10. If I were you, get to know your Creator. He's the best friend you ever have. He doesn't tell your business. He loves you unconditionally, and He's ever forgiving. Because the Bible said He doesn't keep His anger very long. I've known the Lord for several years, and I can't get enough of Him. He's nothing like anyone I've ever met in my life. So again, it's all by God, who gave me the Devotional Chef, and the recipes that's in my heart. Again, shop smarter, spend smarter, not harder. Love you much. See you next time on Facebook Live, Devotional Chef. Talk to you tomorrow when the dish is done. Bye-bye. Have a great day.